So what attracted me to an apprenticeship was the ability to be able to learn and earn at the same time. So you don't have any debts from uni or anything like that. And you also get to work with experienced people every single day, and you can learn off of them, get their experiences and any knowledge that they have to share with you. My name's Albie Quinn. I'm a service and maintenance apprentice engineer in my third year in the facility services division. So what attracted me to facility services was the ability to work in office buildings and that type of environment, because I previously worked on construction sites, and I personally believe that an office environment is a lot more comfortable. You also get to see a lot more of the client side and the interactions with the client. So I feel like you get a bit of everything. You get install, maintenance, and you also get the interactions with the clients. What I enjoy about my apprenticeship is the ability to learn off of more experienced people who have been in the industry for a lot longer than me, and they know a lot more than me, so I can learn everything I can out of them. I think the biggest challenge for me personally was working on my communication skills, communicating with customers and clients, which I never had to do before. That was a big thing I had to learn, how to communicate effectively, and also be able to explain technical things to people that might not necessarily know the ins and outs of everything. So throughout my apprenticeship, I've developed a lot of knowledge on mechanical systems like plumbing, air conditioning, because previously I only had experience in electrical. It's been a big amount of knowledge that I've had to learn on the technical side of things, but also, like I said, communicating effectively with clients and explaining things as effectively as I can. So NG Bailey have a really good support system for their apprentices. They have an apprenticeship development partner who works closely with the apprentices to help them in their development and any questions that they have. There's a good HR department who any personal issues you have outside of work or even in work, they can help you with that. And also the people around you, your managers and your supervisors, are all very helpful and friendly. My biggest tip for new apprentices would be to just have a good attitude, because you could be the most skilled person, but with a bad attitude you won't get anywhere. Also ask as many questions as you can. If something doesn't make sense to you, then ask, even if you think it's a stupid question. There's no such thing as a stupid question. So I'd say, yeah, ask questions until you understand it.